Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been? And hope you have been enjoying all the amazing videos and the content I've been uploading to my channel. I promise to bring more valuable content to you. Today I bring to you a very powerful strategy. I call it the money strategy. The money strategy. This strategy is so effective that once I show you how it works, you will be so amazed that you have not seen this kind of strategy before. This strategy is called the money strategy. So very quickly, let's go into it and see how it works, and then I will give you the settings, and then we'll know what to do next. All right, now this is how it works. Once you see this white line touch the 90 and this yellow line cross the 80 above, right? Immediately you see this formation form, you go to the chart. Go to the chart where the price is, place an horizontal line at the last low. So your entry will now be immediately price crosses that horizontal line. That will be your entry. And by that time, if you notice on the indicator window, the indicator window will have shown a red. This is for boom 1000. It will have shown a red, which signifies a sell. Take your sell. So how do you know how many candles to take? Listen to me. So you go to your crosshair and measure the distance between the high and the low, which is 22. Measure the 22 and put another horizontal line there, which is going to be your take profit. All right. Measure the 22 and put another horizontal line there. And once you have done that, just wait for price to get there. Confidently, just relax yourself. You can see it was coming down, it spiked, just relax, it's coming down. So it's going to come down and you're going to take profit here. All right. So that's how simple this strategy is. Once you have this setup and you come here, you place a horizontal line here. Once it crosses the horizontal line, you take your sell, you ride it onto the equal distance from this to this. Once you are done, take your profit. All right. So what's the setting? Now listen, follow through. This is a setting. If you like, you can use all this. I use this because it helps me to also be able to monitor. So you can add the moving average period 200, shift 0 exponential. The method is exponential, apply to close, and then you can pick any style of your choice, 3 pixel. All right, then click done. Then you apply the moving average 50, shift period shift 50, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, and then I use the style white because my background is black, so you can use any style of your choice. Now the indicator window, you come to this FX, this F plus here on the main chart, and then you add the relative strength index. Now the relative strength index should be period 12, not 14. Apply to close. Then you style, just put 1 pixel because I use 1 pixel and background color. Use your background color. If you're having white, use white. All right. Then the levels, just put in 20, 80, 90, 10, and 50. 20, 80, 90, 10, and 50. All right. Then you click done. Then you come to your ichimoku. You come to the indicator window. Come here. Indicator window, you click this F plus here for indicator window, so you can add the ichimoku. You come and add your ichimoku. The taking sen should be 6, the kinju sen should be 6, the senko span B should be 52. Apply, click this field, make sure you click it. All right. So for the taking sen, the style 4 pixel, I click yellow because of my background. You can use any style of your choice. Can you send? I just made it invisible because of I use the background color 1 pixel and the checker span as well 1 pixel. Now I use the up kumo and down kumo because I need the cloud. I need the cloud to show. So this is for upward movement, this is for downward movement. All right, then you go and click done. Then you come here and apply your exponential moving average period 50 shift 0 method exponential apply to close. The star is 4 pixel. I use white because my background is black and I want it to show. And that's it, you are done. All right, so you look at the setup. Once this setup occurs, where your moving average 50 crosses the 90, your ichimoku breaks up beyond above 80, and then once you have that setup, it's a good one, then you come and place an horizontal line here. Wait until price breaks down the horizontal line downwards. Once it breaks it downward, enter your sell, and once you have placed your sell, then measure the distance between this high and this low, measure it and then replicate its equidistance. Then let this be your entry, let this be your target profit, and just watch what happens. So right now we're going to watch and see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to pause the video so that once it's almost there, we just come in to pick it together and then we take the profits. Actually, I'm on a trade and I've maxed out all I maxed out my limit for trading. That's why I can't add in anyone. So the trade is going on right now, so I can't put in for anyone now. So let us watch it and see what happens, and then observe it go to our target profits.